Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 4 controller that simply won't connect. So the first thing you want to try is turning on your controller, and then if you flip it around, there's going to be a small reset pin right here that we can just use like a toothpick and then press it in there. So if you hold this down for like 5 seconds, your controller will turn off and this should reset it. Now you can press the PlayStation button right here and you can turn it back on. And it might reconnect back up to your PlayStation 5, but if it doesn't, or PS4, press the share button right here, and then the PlayStation button at the same time. And this will put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode, and this little light will flash, and then you should be able to connect it. Now, if it doesn't, you're going to need a USB cable. And sometimes these USB cables are getting a little bit older now. You might need to go ahead and just try a different one. That could be the reason too. So I think I've had this one for about maybe 10 to 15 years. So plug it into the controller, and then plug the other end into your PlayStation 4. And now when you press this button, the PlayStation button, you have to press it once. Then it might be like charging or something like that. Just press it like 2 or 3 times in a row. And you can see on my screen it's actually working. So the USB method is definitely the best. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.